I was looking for some weights for my home gym that were in between 20 and 25 pounds, and this Hex Dumbbell Set by HANDBODE was a really great find. These dumbbells are really well made. The silver handle is very grip friendly, and of course, the hexagonal design helps them to not roll around when you set them down. Now, I am just a casual home user, and these weights work fine for me. For me, they do feel like they are genuinely in between 20 and 25 pounds. Now, let's weigh them to see exactly how much they weigh. So, the first one comes in at 22 pounds, approximately 3 ounces, and the second one comes in at 22 pounds, 4.5 ounces. I personally do not feel the difference when I use them. So if you're a casual gym user like me, I recommend these.